Once you have added luminaires to your network, you can change their configuration in the tab Luminaires. To do that, just double-click on the respective luminaire. In the appearing window, you can now scroll down and select a symbol. This can be an Occio symbol or your own photo. If you want to use an Occio icon, simply click on Select Appearance and select the right icon. The Occio Air app automatically sets the correct name. Here's a little hint. If you use luminaires with an Air module, the Occio Air app does not recognize the model, but the Air module. So it is on you to choose the correct name and pick the respective symbol. With Cento luminaires, where the Occio Air chip sits in the head, the Occio Air app recognizes only that it is a Cento, but cannot know whether it is a Verticale, a Tabulo, or another model. Again, you have to pick out the model yourself. In the Luminaires tab, you can now move the luminaires to the desired position. To do this, click Edit in the top right. Then just drag the luminaire symbol. Confirm with Done.